Before changing the inline filter disc, make sure that the delivery unit is turned off and the air is vented from the bottle. Once done, we can unclip the filter assembly from the wall and unscrew the lid. Once this is off, you'll have to remove an O-ring holding the filter in place. Once that is removed, just empty out the filter into your hand, install a new filter disc, replace the O-ring, screw the lid back on and clip it back to the wall. We'll turn on the unit and re-energize the air pressure to the bottle, allowing water to flow through the unit.